Hello, this is Iman from its Iman channel. Today I'll be teaching you what is SOH-CAH-TOA. Well, SOH-CAH-TOA is a trigonometric ratio that only works if 90-degree angles or right triangle. I'll show you what is this thing. Looks like we're learning alphabet. Trust me, we're learning mathematics. So, S stands for sine. C stands for cosine. And finally T stands for tangent. You guys probably already start learning this thing or not yet. If you are on high school but still hasn't learned all of this thing called trigonometric ratios, then maybe sooner or next year. Make sure to check mathematics textbook if you can find trigonometric ratios. If not, then definitely next year or two. But if it's on textbook, or finally wait for it. It might not show SOH-CAH-TOA. Because this is just a shortcut form and really easy to memorize. So, sine stands for sin is equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. For CAH, cosine is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. For TOA, tangent is equal to opposite divided by adjacent. For sine, which is the first letter for SO. Opposite is the middle letter for SO, which is O. Hypotenuse is the last letter for SO, which is H. For cosine, it's the first letter of CA, which is C. Adjacent being in the middle letter of CAH. Hypotenuse is the last letter of CAH, which is H of CAH. Tangent is the first letter of TOA. Opposite being the middle of TOA, which is O. And the final is the adjacent being the last letter of TOA, which is A. And yeah, that's all. Let's go solve a problem. Let me draw a right triangle. Let's you solve this problem if you think you can. It's best if you try to solve this. That's how learning works. The angle inside of a right triangle is 60. The adjacent length is 13 centimeters, using the trigonometric ratio. Sine is equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. Cosine is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Tangent is equal to opposite divided by adjacent. Make sure you know these trigonometric ratios. It's very important. So given the value of adjacent, which is 13 centimeters and 60-degree angle, calculate the length of opposite side, which is x. So which trigonometric ratio do we use? Is it cosine, sine, or tangent? So we cannot use SO because we don't need to look for hypotenuse, and CAH also. And TOA we are looking for, because we're given the adjacent is 13 centimeters and opposite length, which is x. So, tangent of 60 degree is equal to x divided by 13. So, tangent of 60 degrees, make sure your calculator is in degree mode. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. Tangent 60 degree is approximately 1.73. So replacing tan 60 degree with 1.73 because they're same and equal. And to get the x value, multiply both sides by 13 to get rid of the fractions. So canceling 13, we get that 1.73 times 13 is equal to 22.49 centimeters. So yeah, that's all. Goodbye, students.